Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. This is Viprajesh. MG Motor India or Morris Garages India have finally revealed the pricing for all variants of their new midsize SUV, the MG Aster. The MG Aster is available with 2 different engine options, 3 different transmission options and 4 different variants. First, let's talk about the variants along with the highlight features. The 4 variants of the MG Aster include the base level Style, the second level Super, the third variant Smart and the top spec Sharp. The base level Style variant offers a lot of standard features, including full LED headlamps with LED DRLs, leather padding on the dashboard and the door armrests, 3 multiple drive modes for the steering wheel, automatic climate control with air purifier, rear windshield wiper washer with defogger, remote sensor locking with flip key, and a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The second level Super variant additionally offers 17-inch alloy wheels, reverse parking camera, LED tail lamps, front fog lamps, roof rails, electronic parking brake, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity, and steering-mounted audio controls. The third level Smart variant offers the first in segment personal artificial intelligence assistance, digital car key program, heated ORVMs, iSmart connected car features, a 7-inch fully digital instrument cluster, smart key access with push-button start, perforated leather upholstery, cruise control, automatic headlamps, tire pressure monitoring system, power folding ORVMs, while the 1.3-litre turbo variant exclusively offers tuxedo black interior theme along with the sporty black theme for the exterior. The highest spec Sharp variant additionally offers the dual-pane massive panoramic sunroof, 17-inch dual-tone machine-cut alloy wheels, 360-degree surround view camera, 6-way power adjustable driver seat, rain-sensing wipers, along with the advanced driver assistance system including features such as rear drive assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, lane change assist, rear cross traffic alert, and autonomous emergency braking. The 1.3-litre turbo engine-equipped Sharp variant additionally offers red-painted brake calipers and 17-inch turbine-inspired alloy wheels. The MG Aster midsize SUV will be available with 2 petrol engine options, the first one being a 1.5-litre 4-cylinder naturally aspirated petrol engine producing 110 PS of maximum power and 144 Nm of maximum torque. This engine will be mated to a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed CVT automatic gearbox. While the 6-speed manual gearbox is available as standard across all 4 variants, the CVT automatic gearbox is available only on the Super, Smart and Sharp variants. In terms of pricing, the base level 1.5-litre Style variant is priced at Rs 9.78 lakh ex-showroom. The second level Super manual variant is priced at Rs 11.28 lakh ex-showroom, while the Super CVT automatic variant is priced at Rs 12.68 lakh ex-showroom. The third level Smart variant is priced at Rs 12.98 lakh ex-showroom for the manual, whereas the CVT Smart variant is priced at Rs 14.18 lakh ex-showroom. The topmost Sharp variant is priced at Rs 13.98 lakh ex-showroom for the manual, while the CVT Sharp variant is priced at Rs 14.98 lakh ex-showroom. The second more powerful engine is a 1.4-litre turbocharged petrol, producing 140 PS of maximum power and 220 Nm of maximum torque through only a 6-speed automatic gearbox. This 1.3-litre turbo petrol engine is available only on the Smart and Sharp variants, without the option of a manual gearbox. The Turbo Smart variant is priced at Rs 15.88 lakh ex-showroom, whereas the Turbo Sharp variant is priced at Rs 16.78 lakh ex-showroom. The major highlight of the MG Aster is the availability of standard safety features across all variants, including electronic stability program, hill descent control, traction control system, all 4 disc brakes, hill hold control, and ISOFIX child seat mounts. While dual airbags are standard across all variants, the Smart variant offers side airbags, while the topmost Sharp variant offers 6 airbags in total. Now let's get into further details of the MG Aster. The MG Aster essentially is a petrol-powered version of the already selling MG ZS EV electric SUV. However, compared to the MG ZS EV, the MG Aster will look significantly different in terms of exterior while also offering more features. While the overall design and proportions remain exactly the same as the MG ZS EV, the front fascia of the MG Aster petrol SUV is going to be quite different, featuring an all-new hexagonal front grille with a chrome-studded radial pattern flanked by all-new sleeker LED headlights. The lower bumper design is also significantly different, with all-new fog lamps and glossy black design elements. While the side profile remains exactly the same as the MG ZS EV, the Aster will get brand new 17-inch dual-tone machine-cut alloy wheels. And yes, the top-spec variants are also expected to receive red-painted brake calipers. Just like the front, the rear fascia will also get all-new LED tail lamps and a fresh new rear bumper. While the overall dashboard layout will be similar to the MG ZS EV, the Aster will feature an all-new larger touchscreen system, paired to a full-color TFT instrument cluster, while also offering other features such as a powered driver seat, automatic climate control, and an auto-dimming IRVM. Just like the MG ZS EV, the Aster will also carry forward the large panoramic sunroof to be made available only on the top spec variants. While the high-quality interior materials will be similar to the MG ZS EV, the Aster petrol SUV is likely to offer multiple color themes to lend a more unique and fresh ambience. Apart from the iSmart touchscreen system, which offers voice commands and preloaded entertainment apps, the Aster will be the first car in India to offer a personal artificial intelligence assistant in the form of an interactive robot which can respond to and depict human-like emotions and voices. This AI assistant can also give information about various topics via Wikipedia, while also helping out with navigation, contact calling, media, and opening or closing the sunroof.
खुल जा सिम सिम.
The MG Aster will also be the first car in India to be equipped with Level 2 autonomous technology, offering features such as adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, lane departure prevention, intelligent headlamp control, rear drive assist, and speed assist system. The MG Aster also provides multiple drive modes for the steering feel, including normal, urban, and dynamic. And as a part of the connected car features, your smartphone can also be used as a digital key for accessing and driving the car using Bluetooth and the connectivity app. And yes, as a part of the connected car system, the MG Aster will also offer geofencing, emergency assistance, and remote engine start-stop. The MG Aster midsize SUV is expected to give tough competition to the newly launched Volkswagen Tiguan, the Skoda Kushaq, the Hyundai Creta, and the Kia Seltos. Stay tuned for our detailed reviews of the MG Aster midsize SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.